In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add activity feed. We'll be doing this inside the StreamElements dashboard, and the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. If you want to keep track of stream-related events more efficiently, the activity feed is a useful tool because it helps you monitor actions and interactions in one place. To get started, head over to the StreamElements dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving on so you're viewing the right workspace and stream settings. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to orient yourself with the main navigation area because the next option we need is located there. From the dashboard, click on Data and Reports. This section is where StreamElements groups together information, analytics, and event-related tools. If you've never used this area before, don't worry, it's simply the place where you can access more detailed tracking and reporting features for your stream activity. After that, click on Activity Feed. This will open the feed itself where you can view recent events connected to your account or stream. Depending on your setup, this feed may show different kinds of activity, and it's designed to help you quickly review what's been happening without needing to dig through multiple sections of the platform. Once you're on the activity feed page, look toward the top of the feed and click the filter button. This is an important step because it allows you to narrow down exactly what you want to see. For example, you can select specific platforms or choose certain event types, which makes the feed much easier to read and more relevant to your needs. This is especially helpful if you manage activity from more than one source or if you only want to focus on a particular type of event. When using filters, it's a good idea to think about how you plan to use the feed. If you want a broad overview, keep more options visible. If you're troubleshooting or monitoring something specific, apply tighter filters so the information is cleaner and easier to scan. And that's it. You've now accessed the activity feed in StreamElements and learned how to refine it using filters for specific platforms or event types. Once you've set it up the way you want, the feed becomes a much more practical tool for staying organized and keeping an eye on stream activity.